The cool thing with console is that we don't only have console.log available to us. We've also got other methods. What are some of these other methods? Well, let's have a look. It's exciting stuff. One of them that I want to show you now is called console.assert. And assert is just a method on console that takes two parameters. Okay, you got to feed the function two things. The one is just a Boolean expression, and by Boolean, I just mean true or false. And then you got to feed the second parameter, you got to feed it is what happens when that assertion fails. It gives us some sort of an alert. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say you're developing a site and you only want people above the age of 50 to enter the site. Why? I don't know. So let's say you've got a gentleman and his age, let age equals 35. Okay. And let's say he wants to come onto your site. Well, let's say in your code, you want an alert, or you want to alert the user that he's not allowed entering your site. Well, you can go console.assert. Remember, the first parameter is a Boolean. And what do you want to happen? You want age to be greater than 50, remember? And your second parameter is what you want to happen what you want to state to the user when this fails. So in this case, if it fails, he's going to be below 50. So you want to say access denied. You are too young to enter here. What do you think is going to happen when I push return? You guessed it. It's come up with an assertion. And it gives you the error message. How cool is that? Another cool method is the count method on console. What's the count method? Well, let me show you. It'll be easier that way. Console.count takes one argument, and that is the label that you want to give it. And it tells you how many times something has been done. So let's say you got a button and you want to know how many times the user's clicked on the button. All the console.count method does is it keeps track on how many times it's been called. Simple, right? Let's see it in action.